people. So these days I've been really thinking about how I can improve the quality of my videos, and I realized that I should speak about books and documentaries that have really made a difference in my life. There is this um, there is this one documentary on Netflix called Rubaru Roshni, and it is speaking about it is only getting me emotional because it it's a documentary that is been made by the Amir Khan Productions, so that automatically would tell you that it is of a certain caliber, certain it's all about how the people who've gone through some really like earth shattering events, this particular 11-year-old whose parents were killed, whose parents were massacred during the 1984 riots, the um, so it is then this person, she was a child then and now she's an adult, and how she chooses to literally like forgive the person who murdered her family, literally her parents, and she invites that assassin for lunch at her place. And it is so, just watching this series, it's not series, it's a documentary. So, and also there was this Catholic nun who was she was like literally pulled out of a bus and then stabbed, and the person who did this is now the sister of this nun chose to not just forgive this man but to actually tie him her a rakhi. So during the course of this interview, the person who committed this see, I'm getting emotional, who murdered this nun in broad daylight, he says even if the sister of this nun has forgiven him and tied him a rakhi, he's unable to forgive himself. So I think that is the, when it comes down to it, those of us who've been through situations in life that have been my child getting snatched, things like that, you reach a phase where you realize that everybody around you who acts, they act with their own set of limitations, and it's, each one is a product of their circumstance, really. So really, people, I can't recommend this documentary enough. It's called Rubaru Roshni, and it's on Netflix, which you can get for 200 rupees a month, and it will change the way you see the world. See, I've actually got emotional making it, but because watching this documentary helped kind of from my end be nice to this person who snatched my child, this ex-husband, but as usual he didn't reciprocate, but it's okay. From my end, I just want to be in a happy space because it's important. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.